Hi and welcome to Urk Electrical channel. We have been called by this customer today who wanted to change this faceplate on this switch here. And as you can see, this switch was here for more than, let's say, 60 years. This customer tried to change this faceplate by himself, but this faceplate is a almost flat plate. He tried to change this faceplate here by this regular faceplate, actual faceplate. But as he tried to do it, I will show you right now. This switch become recessed in the wall with this faceplate here. Let's show you what's gonna happen. Because right now someone is asking himself, oh, why this guy is calling this switch a recessed switch. Okay, right now it's not recessed. If this plate is not recessed, as soon as we try to put the other plate, you will see why. You see, this is a metallic plate right here, metal plate, and it's almost flat. It's almost flat. It's different to this plate right here that is deep for a quarter inch. Okay, so as you can see, when you try to put this plate here on it, you see this. Can you get close? You see the switch now is inside. The switch is inside, so it's not flush. So now why this happened is because somebody caught the yokes of the switch right here. Let's see a regular switch like that one. A regular switch like that one is this. It has yokes that got to sit on the drywall. Okay, so these yokes will sit on the drywall here to make it flush to the drywall. When you put the faceplate on, the faceplate gonna cover this thing of the yokes and it's gonna flush nice. So let's change this switch by this one here and let's see what's gonna happen. And remember, before you do this job, you gotta turn off the power first. Before doing any electrical job, make sure you turn off the power first. And to do this one, he had to call me. He tried to change by himself the faceplate because he had now to access the switch. Now he called me to do it because I am an electrician. He's not. So if you are not an electrician, please do not try to play with the electricity. The electricity could kill you. If you are not sure of what you're doing, please call an electrician. Okay, so let's turn off the power and take out the switch right here. All right guys, as you can see in here, these wires, as I was saying, are a 60 years wire old. Okay, they are very old, so we will have to take out, to turn off the power, take out this electrical tape here and take out this switch and replace it by the one that has the ears on the yoke. Okay, and then we will show you how it looks like. Okay, now as you can see, we have changed the switch. We put the one that has ears on the yokes. So as you can see, these wires are very old wires, 60-year-old wires. You know, you see the insulation. So we are gonna put tape all around the switch and put it in and put the faceplate on. So let's wrap some electrical tape around it. Okay. And you will see right now how this yoke's gonna sit on the drywall to make it flush. The new faceplates, and see. Okay, as you can see now it's flush. Alright, so we're gonna tighten it up and okay, new faceplate on. Okay, yeah, good to go. And as you can see now how it flush. Okay, can you get more close? See how it get flush to the faceplate. See that, right? You can see yourself, right? See how it get flush, and look how the faceplate get flush to the wall too. Alright, thank you everyone for watching.